Dear students, welcome to this SAP day 6 session. Okay. So, with respect to the yesterday's your test based on the SAP overview. Okay, kindly go through those answers. Kindly see the details. But today I'm going to explore you the various other resources for your studies. Okay. The main thing is that definitely will provide you that SAP Education Console access so that you will again revisit these points. But today let us have the exploration of few more resources, online resources mainly, which you can Google and you can find out more useful stuff for your studies over there. Okay. So here I'm going to classify this stuff, what are the online resources into three components. The first component will be what in the form of your various online we can see study material or tutorials. Second thing we'll see the various resources available on a YouTube. And third is in the form of some books available or PDFs available. Okay, even I would like to introduce for ABAP module student, the one of the online ABAP editor. Using it, you can do a little codes through that editor with even irrespective of your SAP logger software over there. Okay, so let me begin. In this case, so when I'm talking about this SAP, right? We are generally talking about SAP, the study material. But when I'm talking about SAP, the study material, okay, we'll take a model wise. Suppose I'm talking about SAP MM there, okay. We generally search SAP MM study material format, right? Sorry. So we'll go with this part, and then when you will search for a study material over there, you are getting a lot of links over there, okay. See, one of the resource, you know, that I haven't shared with you through the tutorial campus, but apart from that tutorial campus or tutorial card, one of the another best resource is available to study this SAP material management module. And it is again available for other modules also, but let me show you this guru99.com. Okay. So this website is really good and even it is very promptly updated every time with respect to this SAP. And what is the beauty of this? Generally, they share the material which is updated one, okay, which is not like that it is kept on this website for a number of years ago or few months ago, and then they share it. Okay, so if you find it here, you will find it that this is always get updated. So you will find the updated this SAP material management training tutorial by the June 18, 2022 itself. So it's very nice and very kind, I can say, the resource to get kickstart with your particular module training. Okay, right now I'm showing you for SAP MM. I'll also highlight to this particular resource your SAP ABAP and other modules there. Okay, and what is the beauty of this? In short, they have been explained the various things. Suppose I'm just talking about your this SAP material management. Okay, then we are finding here the overview of SAP MM, a short tutorials. Okay, see, they have been given very clear. This course is designed for beginners with little or no material management experience. So you don't have any experience and you want to jump into that. Though you are experienced and it's good, you can immediately understand to what exactly these models and how are they working. Okay. So when I'm going with this, okay, just I'll keep it somewhere else so you'll be able to see properly. Okay, fine. So if you see that they have been explained in short what exactly this SAP MM is, and the more over the beauty is what they have been explained in a simple words. Okay, when we will compare with SAP Education Console, this particular Guru99.com, you'll find they have been explained in a short or in a simple manner. Okay, so they have been given very short and in a precise manner the various things. So when I'm talking about purchasing, so how the purchasing is happened, okay, what are the components are there, oh, your inventory management, pricing procedure. So see why I'm showing it, because it comes with a different way. Okay, it comes with a simplified manner. See, sometimes what happens when you start reading the book, okay, we feel somewhere sleepy, somewhere no, very lazy, okay, lazy with that. Okay, because sometimes what happens, we are not able to understand the language, we are not able to get connect with that book. Okay, so it's very important. We have to first of all go with the simplified resource. Okay, so this is again a good resource for your this particular SAP MM. See, again another point I would like to tell you. See, on after every topic, a summary is given to you, whereby that summary you can get immediate an idea. Okay, suppose I'm talking about the master data. So what exactly the master data? Its simplest definition is given. Like master data is the core data that is used as a base for any transaction. Okay, do not worry. Other module students also, I'm going to demonstrate their even link for their pages here through this guru99.com. So once again, I'm telling you, I'm not promoting it. I'm just sharing you the best resource which we found through a lot of number of time googling, and then we comparing the various contents over there. Okay. See what is again beauty of here. See in this case they have been given very shortly. Like see how to create a request for quotation, means how it works. RFQ, that is, now these are the transaction code, simplest way. So you should know this scenario. My purpose is here to show you the scenario, how a particular process or how that entire business cycle is working, and when you are going to do. Okay, you should know some shortcuts they have been like RFQ they are using for request for quotation. You have to remember, my dear friends, you have to remember. See, it is given. Now we have gone through the SAP logon also. Last time I explained you, even I have been demonstrated you your that SAP uh, logon, its screen and everything. See, with the help of command field, where we can put that, we can put a transaction code as ME41, and I can go with this request for quotation. So as a material management student, what you have to do, you are going to configure, right? Your request for quotation, you are going to configure as per the need of that industry, as per the details available with you. Okay, here see that these steps are given. So what happened in interview? So in interviews, you come across with this kind of questionnaire. Okay, if you want to create that request for quotation, do you know the process? Do you know the flow? Do you know the particular transaction code? So can you tell us, okay, how the transaction code up to the last your requirement tracking, or I can say this way it will happen. See, are you able to see the screen clearly here? See, so when I'm creating that material or request for quotation, the initial screen, what you have to do, okay? The again point wise they have been highlighted these details. Are you finding it useful or sounding it good? Just put in a chat why there. I just want to see. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you really finding it? Yeah. So see this resource you have to find out. See, you have to work. See, very easily you can remember, right? Even they have been highlighted very well the content. What exactly you have to put, where you have to put. Okay, the screens are very clearly visible. The contents are very clearly visible. Okay, that way they are coming with this particular tutorial. So in this way, if you see, they have been given a lot of such kind of things. Okay, you have to just go through these details and in very simplest manner, as like tutorial campus or tutorial card they have been explained, but I found it more simplified for your this SAP module here. Okay, so if I'll go back, okay, it is asking me, okay, I don't want to join this SAP free training. Okay, I'll just go back, and if I'll check out here. Okay, see here all the modules are given. The first we have been seen. Then now if I'll click on this ABAP, right, ABAP module, then for ABAP module also this tutorial is available. Okay, see very simple. They start with the full form of that ABAP, that is Advanced Business Application Programming. Okay, see these links I'll copy and I'll keep it in your chat so you will be able to go through it. See in this case also they have been started very well. See you, if see they are saying you are absolutely newbie, means you are absolutely new person here, then familiarity with SAP GUI is required. Are you getting my point? See, we have been seeing SAP logon and its navigation screen. See, that's why I have been introduced to that SAP GUI to each and every module student, not only for ABAP but for others also. Okay, so it's very important. And here they have what exactly ABAP fundamentals you need to know. Okay, suppose if I'm starting with ABAP, then what is its full form, dictionary and all. Okay, what did by ABAP data dictionary tutorial? What did by modularization in ABAP? See, that's why I'm always saying to ABAP model students, please brush up your few concepts related to any basic programming like C or C++. Second thing, just brush up certain things related to the database where you should know the concepts like table, then queries, then your natural join or maybe view procedure. And suppose you want to get more and more depth, then again brush up yourself on a SQL knowledge, that is structured query knowledge. Okay. See, it's very easy. We should know these concepts very well, so we can attach ourselves very easily with this ABAP model. Okay, there is no problem. So apart from this, see, again they have been divided into the various databases. See, like if you see very clearly, these are the main points. My dear friends who are doing the ABAP model, please remember you have to learn like this. Like first ABAP fundamentals, try to create, go with the data into databases. See, it actually uses two kinds of SQLs here. Or generally we know only SQL, that is structured query language, but it goes with Open SQL and native SQL. you should know very clear difference between what is open SQL, what is native SQL, what do you mean by SAP internal tables, okay, how we can handle it, then how we can create the reports, what do you mean by dialogues, what do you mean by smart forms, scripts, okay, these are very general questions they ask, okay, what is body, BAPI, these are the simplest code, transaction codes and their details they have been given, okay. So this is with respect to your ABAP. If I explore more for this, okay, we are having various students with respect to even FICO module, SD module, PP module. Okay, let us take with few details with respect to suppose production and planning. Okay, I know that my few students are with this. Okay, so now I'm talking about this SAP production planning. Okay, you should know why are you learning this. So if you read the course summary, which is updated very recently, you'll find it is designed for integrating different departments involved in what production and manufacturing. Okay, you should know very well this part. Okay, then in this case, when you are going to talk about this particular area also, it is said that this is helpful for managers as well as for beginners. So do not worry if you are a beginner, still you can learn through this. Okay, so again in this case, see that when you are moving to with this SAP production planning, okay, there are so many things you must know, okay, that you should have certain details with you, okay. So one point which I would like to tell you all of you with respect to every session or every particular section, they have been given some certain like SAP PP PDF also or production order, how that, then good movement against production order and all these details you have to see it's like that. See, you have to just explore in short, okay, these are just like what the blogs written by those particular authors, and we are getting an idea, okay. So when exactly PP comes in a picture, when exactly comes in a picture, okay, so they have been given very in a simplest manner, just read and take. And the best way is what do you know, you take down the notes. My dear friends, make it clear. When you are studying, just write in a short, in your own way, in your own words. It helps you to go through that concept as well as it also improves your that particular understanding. You are writing it, you are thinking on that, and then again try to communicate it. Okay, do not worry, communicate, share with somebody. Okay, you can share like this. Okay, today I got about MRP. What is MRP in PP? In MRP in PP is not maximum retail price. It is what? Material requirement planning. So this kind of interaction you should do with your friends or with your colleagues who are doing the same kind of training over there. Okay. So these details are very nicely presented, okay, and given to you. Because see, this is a resource which most of the time even we prefer and we give an idea to the students. Then like after PP, suppose you are a part of this FICO module or SD module, okay, it's very important. See, number of times when students come to me, they say that, sir, I would like to go with SAP FICO module or FI module. Then what I should know? See that it is very clear. Okay, the prerequisites for learning your SAP FICO course, it is very clearly given. What do you know? You must have the knowledge of accounting. Dear friends who are the part of this SAP FICO module, they have to go through these accounting concepts very well. And if you want to explore yourself, see that you can go with this particular Guru 99 website, and then you can find out here details for your accounting training there. Okay, it is like how you can go with this account training and all. See, in short also you can learn. See, it is very important. When I'm talking with you, I'm feeling that yes, we should also learn. We should go through this. See, in accounting, what they are asking, what do you mean by asset, what do you mean by liabilities, what do you mean by equation, what do you mean by these expenses, revenue, general ledger accounting and all. Okay. So whether do you know about it? See that they have been given examples of how to make a ledger account, various examples. It's not only a tutorial, understand, it's not only a resource from where you can start learning this SAP, but it gives you an idea in that way. And it's very important when you are writing a note, make in a short and make a precise over there. Okay, so through this way also you can learn. There are a lot of things are there you have to understand. See, one should know what in by best bank account for bad credit, okay, then for good credits and all. These are the ways, this is the knowledge expected. Dear student, if you want to progress, what do you need first? You must have a knowledge. But just having the knowledge is enough? No, you have to take a particular action. And action is what? You are preparing, you are studying every day. Okay, so and you are using the different diversified resources for your own preparation. Okay, so this is one of the resources that I just explored right now with all of you. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just put this particular link for everyone. So you can get an idea and you can put it or you can move ahead with it. Okay. So I'll just put it for everyone, this link, and you can explore for your own module over there. Okay. So this is the point that I wanted to talk with you initially, right? So if you are agree with me, just put a Y in your chat box. I would like to say, yes, you are really agree and you, are you connecting with me? Just if you are connecting with me, put C there. Yes, I'm connecting with you. Yes. Yeah, Y is very, very perfect. Are you finding, is it useful for clarifying or moving ahead? Yes, if you are saying yes, yeah, see. Good. Thank you very much. It means you all are alive. And see that. Please keep your best friend for certain time away. Okay. Do you know who is the best friend of everyone? Who is the best friend? I'll say the lazy is your best friend. Right? It comes always with us. Right? In Marathi it is alas, but it always comes with us. Okay. Better. Yeah, yeah. I can say smartphone cannot be your best friend. You have to actually that's the villain. Smartphone is a villain, and because of that villain, actually our lives are getting destroyed or distracted, because see right now, if right now I'm conducting this session, maybe some notification is popped up on your smartphone. What you do again, immediately you switch to that notification. Are you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you must be, because see, you are conscious about that device. Then why you are not conscious about your own training? Right? Why are you means? Right? Yeah, you are on a laptop, that's good. It's good, but are you keeping your mobile phone away from you? I don't think so. It may be very close immediately with you. Okay. See, you have to find out a time. And when, dear friends, these are the really great resources. Do you know then when I'm finding a time, when I'm keeping all these things in front of, because I try to keep myself somewhere busy and somewhere what focused. See, I'm not saying that daily you study for 6 to 7 hours and then you prepare. Don't do that. Okay, do the thing like this. First, I'll tell you very simple trick. Do the study first for 25 minutes, then take a break of 5 minutes. Again, just come for 25 minutes. Again, take a break of 5 minutes. Okay, like this you do the study. See, because of that, what will happen? You will be able to focus perfect for 25 minutes. During those 25 minutes, do not even look towards your mobile. Keep your notifications off. It's my request. Don't keep the notifications on. Even I used to do that. Keep the notification off. So you will not divert from your that particular website or something. Okay. And preferably try to do it on a laptop or a machine. And if you don't have, in the worst case, you have to do on a mobile, then better keep your notification off so that you will be focused on that your open page or web page over there. And you can study in a your own cool way, right? So you have to understand it. Okay. So you have to apply this technique. See, I would like to request all that today you apply this technique. Tomorrow you try to do first do a 25 minutes study, then take a 5 minutes break. You don't want 5 minutes. If you want more than that, take that 10 minutes break. Then again start for 25 minutes. Again take a break of 10 minutes. Okay. And during those 10 minutes now, try to do something else. Okay. Don't try to come or think about this SCP. Do something else. Immediately what will happen? You will become fresh and you can come back and you can focus on it. Okay. Suppose in that 10 minutes you can do, suppose you are in your own house, you can help to others, you can help to your mother, you can help to your father, you can help to your brother, sister, or your other family members too. So, and then come back and start again your study. You'll find that there is a change. You are able to be consistent. Dear student, that test was not conducted only to check how much you understood. The test was conducted to find out your consistency. My intention was very clear. Let me check my students, where are they? Are they consistent or not? Okay, so this little bit theory you just apply. Okay, a little bit theory of what? What I have been said? Well, theory of your simple thing. Okay, the theory of your what? 25 minute study, then 5 minutes
Minutes.
break. Yeah, 5 minute or 10 minutes break as per your wish. Okay, 10 minutes break and repeat it. Repeat it. Okay, that you want. Okay, I'm just putting 25 minutes study, 5 minutes or 10 minutes break. Again, you can start the study. Okay, repeat this cycle, right? This is one technique. And second technique, how you can come out of your laziness. Okay, I just want to give that technique. Okay, first, just you try to count in your mind 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and say go. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, let it go immediately. Do not wait. Yes, somebody will come and then I'll start. No, whenever you feel such kind of boring, do this way. Okay, first, okay, you want to start study, but अगर कोई बीच में friend आ जाता है, okay, somebody comes and okay, even TV is okay, somebody is watching a TV in your house and you want to do the study, then automatically your lazy comes in your mind and says that, oh, there is still time now. Why we should learn right now? Okay, just see the movie, just go watch the TV for 5 minutes. Okay, oh, right now the India's cricket matches are going on. Let us go and see them. Then you stuck in that lazy trap, and then you know the next part or rest of the story. Okay, okay, don't do it. See, uh, I'm believing on one thought. Even I'm going through that. Okay, sometime what happened when we are saying, okay, uh, I will do it later. That later converts into never. Okay, I'll do it later. It gets converted into never. Okay, we say in Hindi. In Hindi, it is very well. कि कभी कभी बाद में क्या हो जाता है, कभी नहीं हो जाता है. और we are saying in Marathi also कि उद्या करू परवा करू उद्या कधीच येत नाही. And see, when the time has gone, you can't do anything. My dear friend, you have to think on this point. Okay. So this is one of the resource. I think I've been given a little bit break in between. So are you happy with these techniques? Whatever I have been told you to start immediately and to connect with your studies, to be consistent. That simple trick. Are you happy? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay. Yes. Yes. So dear student, just be with this and continue your studies. That is very important, right? Let me come back because I'm also feeling now hungry somewhere, so I have to take my dinner also. So, but this is one of the resources that I wanted to discuss with you. Another point, okay, I'll come back to the Google and okay. See, earlier I already shared the resources of what tutorial campus and tutorial card. See, tutorial campus is not means I found for certain models it is good. For few models, tutorial cart is really good. Okay. Accordingly, on our group, I have been shared those links. But if you want, again today I'll share those links because I found the new members are joined in both the groups. So for their understanding, I'll give those particular links again. So they can start directly. Okay. See, those resources are very easy. You can find out like this SAP tutorial. Okay. Campus you can take one resource SCP tutorial campus and you can put your module name ahead of that. You'll get that particular details. Okay. So when I'm talking, see that these links are get active like SCP ABAP tutorial is good with this tutorial campus. Like this tutorial campus, there is one more thing is that tutorial card. Okay, SAP tutorial card. But see the spell of card is KART. Okay, so you will be able to see that. See this again more resource that the best online learning site they are saying. See, I'm showing you something here. Okay, you might be seen on my computer. Okay, the thing, the estimated monthly traffic for domain in India. See, how many people are using in every month that particular website or that particular domain there. Okay, so you'll find these are really the values which are available here. They are going to find it out. Okay, so this is the point that you have to understand as a part of these various tutorials. Now, apart from this, I already said yes, with respect to SAP training, there are a lot of videos are available. Okay, a lot of YouTube videos are there. Okay, so if you find certain details, they are also given for beginners and all. Okay, I'm not going to highlight them, but see, there are a lot of tutorials for beginners they have been given. You can choose the language which is available there, which you can go with that. But I would like to tell you, okay, I tried to keep these things again on my channel also. I'm not advertising here, but I'm just telling you, yes, these are the things available. You have to explore. You will get the perception of same concept with the different trainers, with the different resource person over there. They are talking and they are giving an idea. Okay, so you can go with that way here. Then another point, there are even other resources are available, like on a Coursera, on a Udemy, the courses they have been defined. But the request is better start with your own choice. Okay, do not. I have been shared you. That's why you should go with this resource. No, you have to get an idea. You have to connect yourself with the particular resource. Okay, so that point is here. Another thing, the best resource in the last 2 minutes I would like to explore with all of you is your SAP website itself. Okay, when I'll go for SAP, okay, you'll see that they are having their own website where a lot of details they have been explored. Even in my one of the earlier video also I explored on this SAP. It's training.com page. Okay, because see, right now we are in India, so we are getting a page from India there. So here also you can get a resources. Okay, a lot of things are there. A lot of things you will find. Even the things they have been shared. Okay, here so many details they have been said. So what is the particular area where you have to focus more, okay? And what are the updates are coming with respect to SAP? They are sharing every time the details through this particular site, okay? So you can find out. See, there is a training SAP training.sap.com. On that also you can find the resources with respect to you. See, keep updated. My intention to show all these details is that you please keep updated yourself whenever you are going to see. Right now you know that there are a lot of industries, they are hiring the SAP students, but have you tried to find out, okay, if TCS is there, if they are hiring the SAP student, have you tried to explore the TCS profile, SAP profile there? Okay, have you communicated with anyone, okay, you are working in a SAP in particular XYZ industry, okay, do you know what exactly your role is there, what are the different job profiles are there? Please take that information because it's very important. Okay, so in this regard, to help you, okay, I'm going to organize certain SAP R plus student sessions very soon. Okay, and they will guide you. During that time I'll be also available, they'll share their experiences, and we'll also get more and more details over there. Okay, so it is very important that you should learn from all the corners very well. Okay, you should learn from the all the corners. In India, if you see, the estimated search volume for this SAP is more than like 1,35,000 or so, and it is very much, even we can say, kind of interesting. Okay, uh, that particular profile or career profile, I can say, you can get the details on it. Always try to get it because I know that you are techno savvy. You are searching on a various resources. Okay, see, we are also here. If you find on a map, so we are here, no issue. Okay, fine. So these things we have to understand. Okay, and one more thing, it's a kind request to all my dear students. Okay, you please. Okay, I'll stop sharing right now. You please go through, okay, you please go through the resources that have been given. Another point, you please start study because you have been invested an amount and you are supposed to make it worth as early as possible. This is only the intention of mine, and please solve those 10 questions again. Okay, I'm keeping the group open. You please write them again and send it to me. I'm giving you up to the tomorrow's evening timing. You make it and send it to me. And when I'll find, yes, all the students, they have been written their answers and send me, then only I'll go for tomorrow's evening session. Okay, right? So just I have been explored in short this particular details. Okay, and